Hi everybody, this is Julie Bean with Beading, and I have a very quick and easy earring project for you. This is probably my quickest and easiest one ever, and it requires no tools. So if you are new to jewelry making, or you're wanting to make some quick Christmas gifts or bridesmaids or whatever it may be, this would be a great option for you. So what we have is the finished piece right here, and it's a very classic earring. It's very simple, but it's one of those pieces I think would go with everything. And so you have the hoop right here, which is a nun design hoop. It's beautiful. It's a nice finished piece in and of itself. You could just wear this plain, of course. It's got that nice tapering down at the bottom. But I wanted to add a little sparkle, so I'm going to add a majestic pendant to it. Now this is prestige crystal. It's a beautiful Austrian crystal pendant, and this is the medium size. So there's 3 sizes. So we have the little 9mm, we have 11.5, and then we have 16. And I did test it. They all fit on here in the same manner I'm going to show you. But they do come in a bunch of colors, and they're very sparkly. So I like the scarlet one right here. So all you have to do is open up your earring hoop and slide it on. So you're just going to separate it out. You can pull apart a little bit, like so. It's got a hole right there. You just slide it on and it will come down to rest at the base. And that is all you have to do to make this pair of earrings. It is about a 5-second piece of jewelry, but I think it's really quite pretty, and it's going to be one of those things that's going to be very elegant to wear and something that I think anyone would love as a gift if you are considering making some presents. So again, a super quick and easy earring project. You can find all the supplies. Well, the 2 supplies, your majestic pendants by Prestige Crystal, and then your nun design hoops over at beadaholique.com.